Assalamu alaikum my friends. Today we're gonna make feta cheese pasta, which is very trendy in TikTok and social media because it tastes really good. What you'll be needing cherry tomatoes, minced garlic. I used 2 cloves here. You could use more or less, it's up to you. I use Italian herbs and chili flakes. I like it a little bit spicy, and extra virgin olive oil. Please use good kind of olive oil because it will show. And then just give it a good mix, make a hole in the middle, and then add your feta cheese. I know feta cheese crumbles, but when you put it in the oven, it becomes creamy. Wow, surprisingly. And then just add a bit more of the olive oil and the spices again. I added a bit salt. Don't forget, feta cheese is salty. I just added a little bit more. And then black pepper. Here I used a gluten-free lentils and chickpea pasta. You could use any kind of pasta you want. I also added mushrooms. I like mushrooms. I think they taste amazing, and that's why I added them. And then I just seasoned the mushrooms. And in the oven they go for 25 minutes. Here I salted the water for the pasta, always pink salt. And then just cook the pasta according to packaging. And I took here half a cup from the water that we actually boiled the pasta to add it later. While we're waiting, let's play with Beamy. There. Woohoo, it's done. Look how beautiful it looks like. And then here, smash, smash, smash. Bring all your heart out. And then just give it a mix. Here I add the olives. I used chopped coriander and parsley because it tastes really good. You could add basil, which is really plus, but because I already added the Italian herbs, basil was there already. Here I added the pasta. I didn't end up using the whole thing. It was more than enough. I used 2/3 of the package. And then give it a good mix. It was a bit dry, so this is when we add the water that we took from the boiling of the pasta. And that's it. To be honest, it tastes really good. It's trendy for a reason because it tastes really awesome and it's so simple to make. I highly recommend you guys do it. بالعافية عليكم. هذه باستا مشهورة الحين في هالأيام على تيك توك وسوشيال ميديا، وحبيت اني اوريكم اياه. انا اضفت عليها الزيتون والمشروم والفطر لانه بصراحة طعمه مرة حلو. طبعا اضفت الكزبر والبقدونس، لازم كذا نخلي شوية عربي، بس لازم تجربوها. وبالعافية، نشوفكم الحلقات القادمة ان شاء الله. مع السلامة.